Hello everyone and welcome back to Life in 1/18 scale. This week we're continuing with what is it? Part 4 already? Yeah, of this diorama building. Today we're building the second floor. Stay tuned. Before we start, let's do a little recap of part 1 through 3. I started by building a base. It was 60 inches by 24 inches. Then in part 2, I built a back wall to hold all of this together. And then in part 3, I built a parts and service department along with staging, and then I built this Ferrari wall art. If you haven't seen any of those videos, I'll put a link in the description below so you can watch them after this one. So the goal for the second floor is to have 2.5 showroom. One will be smaller than the other one. On the left will be 16 by 20 inches, and on the right, the showroom will be 12 by 16. The middle section of the second floor will be offices and a conference room. The next step is to put some bracing under the floor so I can hang the lights on it. For that, I use 3/4 of an inch by 1 inch wide square molding. There it is, all cut and ready to be glued on. For the first floor ceiling, I thought it would be a good idea to do separate pieces. And after thinking about it, I've decided to do a one piece. So I redid the cutting for the ceiling of the first floor to look like this. The holes you see, the ceiling lighting, that will be fixed there. The next step is to paint the first floor ceiling. I absolutely need to paint this before assembling because afterward it's gonna be just impossible to paint. Alright, the mailman came today. I finally received my LED lighting from Amazon. I paid roughly 20 bucks for this, so it's a good deal. We're gonna install it. So here's an overall view of what it will look like once it's all assembled and glued together. This is gonna be massive. Well, that's it for today, folks. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the subscribe button and keep watching this channel because very soon with part 5, we're gonna assemble all this finally because this is getting out of hand. All right, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.